आनी हायकोर्टानूय काल तेंची हियरींग जाल्ली. सो हायकोर्टान अशें ऑर्डरीन बरयल्लें आसा की सगळी रेजोल्युशनां बी कोमनेदाची जी आसा ती नोटा काड म्हणून एडमिनिस्ट्रेटराच्या. सो सगळे डॉक्युमेंट सगळे एस्पेक्ट आर्ग्युमेंट एप्रिशिएट करूनच एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर ऑर्डर करतो. आनी सिन्स आमच्या नजरेन प्रोविजन ना एनओसी दिवंक आनी एनओसीच्या आदाराचेर तेंच्यांनी हें कन्स्ट्रक्शन केलां. सो इलिगल एनओसी ती इश्यू केल्ली. तेच्या आदारार कन्स्ट्रक्शन केल्लें इलिगलूच जालें न्ही आदार नासतना. सो आमी ते इलिगल शेड कोमनेत एडमिनिस्ट्रेटराच्यान सो मोठो मोडू येता ते. कंप्लेन सुद्दां घालपाची गरज ना. तेतून प्रोविजन आहा सो मोठो मोडपाची. सो ते प्रोविजन दाखोवन आमी ते सगळे आर्ग्युमेंट केले आनी सो वी आर वेटिंग फॉर द ऑर्डर.
आयच्या हियरिंगान आमी एडमिनिस्ट्रेटराच्या फुड्यान अपियर जावन एडमिनिस्ट्रेटराक आमचे कितें ग्रीवियन्सीस आसा इन रिस्पेक्ट ऑफ प्रोसिजर नॉट बीइंग फॉलोड बाय दोना कोमनेदाद. वी हॅव एक्सप्लेन अंडर द कोड ऑफ कोमनेदाद office of the administrator is in a fiduciary position and a supervisory role has been given to the office of the administrator. All that we have done is to point out to the administrator that what are the articles of the code which have not been followed, what procedure has not been complied, and we have requested the administrator to look into this aspect and to take a view whether the grant of NOC given before an application was filed before the Komedat by the Panchayat, त्याच्या आधीच ताणी even before the number was identified to take a resolution and to grant a piece of land without identifying whether that site is suitable or not is a procedural violation. We have given our grievances in writing as well as by way of oral submissions we have made before the administrator, and we have requested him to look into it. Administrator has given us a very patient hearing and he has told us that he will decide on this matter and communicate the decision to us. Next date which has been fixed is on Monday in the morning. So we are awaiting an outcome on this issue.